This is the latest t-shirt from Urban Monkey. Initially in the photos I really didn't like it. Like I thought that maybe wow, it's looking like a bit chapri type. I even commented on their post. But then again in the videos it was looking good, so I dared to prove myself wrong and went for this. And just received very fast delivery. I think in 2 days it came. This is my first impression. So let me see how this is looking from afar. Okay, if I go to natural light more, it will be a hard color to pull off, maybe even for me. But yeah, it's nice, not that bad. Color, yeah, really unique one, nice one. So I like wearing like really unique t-shirts. Let me know in the comments, should I keep it or not? No, I'm going to keep it. It's very unique, very unique. This is an acid wash. These kind of designs are trending right now. Acid wash t-shirts, cropped, oversized, sizing is perfect. Urban Monkey never disappoints. Each and every product I took from Urban Monkey, they have a track record of 100 out of 100. Never have to return anything. The t-shirt price is $9.99, and at that price, the quality they have given, 220 GSM, easily we can wear it in the summers, and yeah, it's looking good. Really unique color. I was not sure at first because of the product pictures, but in the product videos I saw that okay, it's good. Urban Monkey written on it. The quality of the material is really nice. 220 GSM, you can wear it easily in summers. And the back, it's a plain back, and at the bottom they have their logos. You have this Urban Monkey logo printed, established in 2013, genderless apparels. These are for girls and boys both. These are unisex t-shirts. This is the tag. Disclaimer: the garment has undergone a special treatment over process which may result in variation of shades. Okay, as this is an acid wash, like every t-shirt will be unique, but the quality is awesome, very soft in touch. And I've been using Urban Monkey products for quite long now and never had to return a single one, because once I have to size exchange cargo, but apart from that, they don't have that disturbing tag also. It's a medium. Over here they have given wash instructions. It's a 100% cotton t-shirt and beautiful. These are the details. Oversized t-shirt with a crop length, perfect oversized fitting, really beautiful. This is a trending nowadays, this acid wash, and what a beautiful color. Camera, the color is not coming perfectly. It's looking even better in real life. Some kind of skyish blue. I'll give the color and the product image. This is from another angle. Really impressed by it. They have another shade of blue, a darker one, and a red, and another very peach type of color. Definitely visit urbanmonkey.com India website and choose whichever color you like. This is, yeah, like it.